All right, so this is all of our 3rd grade books. So don't ever think that we're over here just twiddling our thumbs, because we do the work. Alrighty, we are getting ready for the 2025-2026 school year and a lot to get together. So when we are done with school, we literally just turn the lights off, we walk out, and this room is left how we left it the last day. Now, I have been in here, picked up the mess that was here, just scattered. Atticus will play while I'm doing Augustus. We do have a clean floor, a vacuumed floor. I did that a few weeks ago, just to knock step 1 out of the way. So, what's got in the mail are student sheets. I highly recommend, if you homeschool, to do homeschool curriculum sales. Do not think twice about buying used curriculum, because curriculum can be very expensive if you're going to use a curriculum. Last couple of years we've used My Father's World. That's what we like. I've gotten to where I have learned to pull from other curriculums and use other things that suit the boys' needs, and that's really neat to kind of change and go into that state where I feel a little bit more confident on pulling my own stuff for my kids, because that's what homeschooling's all about, right? Fitting their needs and concentrating on the things that they're really interested in and kind of building on that. And so for our main points, we use My Father's World. So instead of buying brand new curriculum for hundreds of dollars, we go to these used homeschool curriculum events. You can also do like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, have all kinds of options to kind of help financially there. So saying that, I got Augustus's curriculum, not this year because we couldn't make it, but last year for this year. Had that, didn't need to buy it, so we just had to buy the student sheets. Those will be the worksheets that go along with the teacher workbook, and that just kind of gives more of a structure for me to kind of go by, like checklist and something to kind of use to bump me along. Even though I feel more confident pulling other subjects that I may not want to use what they recommend or whatever, I still like a structure for me to be like, okay, we're going to do this, this, and this, and so forth. And so these will go along with that. Atticus obviously already have his curriculum for the teacher workbooks and other things, because we've already went through 1st grade with Augustus, so we've got that. So now I'm just trying to get everything in order and set up for the first day of school. And I just kind of like to have an idea of how everything is going to work as far as what we're getting into, so it's not like me trying to figure things out the first day of school. So just prep. Yes, if you homeschool, you should be prepping too, and we do prep. And so this year I'm using a new math. We personally have been using Abeka Math and really have enjoyed Abeka Math over the years, because it is straight to the point. There's none of this crap of Common Core and 15 steps that you got to take to get a stinking answer. But math for us was always a struggle, and so this year I'm going to try something new and see, maybe if we try a new curriculum, it'll be a little bit more fun this year. And so I'm using this book, this math curriculum this year, actually through Answers in Genesis, which is who we personally use for Vacation Bible School. Absolutely love them. They do all kinds of great Bible school curriculums. We personally love it because they have a King James version. So let's get into this. All right, so this is all of our 3rd grade books. So don't ever think that we're over here just twiddling our thumbs, because we do the work. Oh, excuse me. There's 2 more bags of stuff. On top of everything else, Augustus informed me that he wanted to do a foreign language this year, so he's going into 3rd grade foreign language. I did Pilates today for the first time. My arm's ripped yet. Super excited about it. We are going to hang these on the wall. Bible curriculum. Hey, baby. Hot. This broke. Battery dead. Exploring countries and cultures. It doesn't, what? Do Becca's Bible curriculum does not mean that we get the Bible lessons in the main curriculum. The more Bible we can have, the more Jesus we can have, the better. Oh, the boys are gonna love that. See at the top it says Christian Heroes Then and Now. Weekly memory verses and daily readings from Matthew. Matthew is my favorite book of the Bible, so that's super exciting. I could cry right now because I'm so excited. Do I look excited? I feel like I said that and then I was like, but I am. I'm very excited. I'm emotional right now just reading that. I love the book of Matthew. Art and music, and then we'll have read aloud. So then the math and language arts, My Father's World is separate from, that doesn't come. They let you choose your math and your language arts. So like I said previously, Becca's what I've always chosen. This year I chose that Answers in Genesis math that they recommend. Tell them I said too. All right, we've got plenty of pens, pencils, erasers, rulers. The cat wants in. And so these two for when they finish their student sheets. Paper, that's what I wanted to see. The Holy Bible, a world globe, got it. We actually used that a lot last year. Actually, the battery wasn't dead. If you can turn it on and you can see the constellations behind it. It's pretty cool. I think I found this at like either a yard sale or an antique store because it still has the thing on it for a lot little or nothing. Yeah, baby. Yes, it is. United States. Oh well. Oh my gosh. Rolled map up. So this is. Hey, little girl, you wait for school to start back. Oh, you may want to gather pictures of missionaries you know to post around your world wall map as a prayer reminder. I'm gonna cry again. A lot of it. No, a lot of missionaries. We'll definitely be doing that. Definitely with this. World Book Encyclopedia is a great addition to your book basket. Read the verses aloud as the student follows along in his Bible. I'll show you the Bibles that we need. Yeah, that's 2 alarms that have went off in this video. Alright, so this was part of their Christmas a couple of years ago. I believe I just got these off of Amazon, but these are the cute little Bibles that we got them. Actually, I got them 4 years ago. And yeah, King James Version, super cute, love it. And then we got him this little cute Bible covers. But anyways, that's what he'll follow along with me in this year. So for the first week, I have everything pulled for Augustus's that I'm going to need. So this is it in order. So if I'm being technical about it though, Bible study first. Then we'll go into Becca's Bible study, which is this book. Then we'll go into our handwriting. Then we'll go into our spelling. Then we'll go into our English and language. Then we will go into our math. I have not put the math in here yet because I have to review this math and I'm not going to get into it today. And then after math, we'll go into our geography and our student worksheets. And then we will go into science, which I have all the science books on the ground because we incorporate the science books with our Bible study the first week. So kind of got everything pulled and laid out how I want it. I do have this dresser over here that I keep all of the stuff in. So this top drawer is mine, the pencils, the glues, the stuff. The middle drawer is Atticus's drawer for his books, and the bottom drawer is Augustus's. The books that we won't start quite yet. Do all of our missionary books that we'll read throughout the year. The 2 math books.
This is the testing book.
What they recommend is the Children's Dictionary. Massive. I'm gonna deal with all this later. I'm tired. It's overwhelming trying to get all these moving pieces in your brain in order. But I highly recommend doing it before the day of, because then you're just overwhelmed and have no idea what's going on and your kids are sitting here like, Mommy, I'm done with this. So